Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how I assembled the Travelers Company 10th Anniversary Mini Edition that comes in a tin box. So this came out in 2016 as part of the Travelers Company's 10th edition campaign. I'm not going to go into so much detail of what's in the box because I'm sure you've already seen all the other videos that covers this aspect. Today I'm just going to show you how I assemble the mini Midori, as we call it, how we assemble it and turn it into little books, you know, the little inserts, and also how I use them at the end of the video. So I'm just gonna show you basically the main item. So this is the unboxing of the packaging, which is exactly like how the regular and passport size traveler's notebooks are packaged. So everything, it's so cute. It comes in a mini box and it even has that mini cotton bag to protect it from dust. So it's a bit tight, so I had a bit of a trouble trying to pull the leather cover out of the cotton bag. But I'm pretty amazed at how they made everything so small and so perfect. There's a very good attention to detail. So yeah, this is the little leather cover. It comes with average sized elastics, so it kind of looks a little huge on the mini Midori. But the leather quality and everything on the inside, it's pretty similar and on par with the actual regular and passport sized notebooks. As you can see, this is a comparison. And if you notice that little string hanging out from the notebook, that's like a bookmark string that's a little bit longer so that you could turn it into maybe a Christmas tree decoration or turn it into a keychain. And it comes with this little tiny brass charm. It has the words TRC. It's actually the logo of Travelers Company, so that's pretty cool. And then we have the inserts. So I've already placed all the inserts out. There's a variety of lined inserts, blank inserts in white and cream, craft paper inserts, and of course they have even this. This is what you find on every front page of Travelers Company's inserts, and these are book covers. They are pretty sturdy. And so yeah, there is a guide, an assembly guide that comes with the box. So if you notice on the inside, they have a sort of a template, I would say. Yeah, so the template shows you where the folding lines are, and it's so convenient, especially when you're dealing with like cardstock and you don't want to have to draw lines for all the pages. So the recommended amount of pages that should go in are 5 pieces of paper. So once you fold the 5 pieces, you get like more or less about 10 pages front and back. So yeah, what I did was to just use the guide, place a metal ruler over the paper and just fold it. You don't have to be too accurate about it because it's so tiny that you actually would not really make much of a mistake. It's not easy to mess this up. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through the making right here. Okay, so I've already managed to fold all the papers, and now it's a matter of arranging them and just making sure that everything is in place. But like I said, it's so small, it's really not easy to get this wrong as long as you're a little bit more careful. And then you just need to staple the middles. To be honest, the assembly guide showed that you should use 2 staples, which is what I'm doing now. But later on I realized that 2 staples actually made it it's secure, but it'll be a bit stiff. So I didn't really like it. So after making this insert, the rest of the other inserts, I actually just used 1 staple. And I would like to show you a customized cover that I made for one of the inserts. This customized cover was actually the actual cover of my diary pack for 2018. So what I did was I scanned the actual cover and then I used Photoshop to create this cover in the actual size. So once you have it in actual size, it's a matter of printing it out and then cutting it and folding it into a cover. So yeah, I used Photoshop like I said, and the measurements are actually 41 mm in height and 44 mm across. I'm going to show you a screenshot of how I actually do it in Photoshop. So right here, you can just follow this example. And yeah, so I'm going to continue making all the other inserts here. And then I'll show you how I put it together into the booklet. So the change of lighting here is sort of because as I was doing everything, the sun started to go down and everything became so dark, so I had to use my artificial light. So the lighting here is a little bit too harsh, but no matter. So what we have right now is the elastic that comes with it. That's an extra elastic that came with the mini cardboard box, if you remembered. So what I'm going to do is try to fit 3 inserts into 1 book, because I mean, it's a Midori. It can hold up to 4 inserts, or 5 if you want to be a little bit more adventurous. So the basic setup is to always put the first and the last inserts together on the extra elastic that you have. So you can use this same method for your passport and regular size traveler's notebooks. So it's pretty easy to set up. So after you've gotten your pages, you have to make sure that everything is on the right side, because I think I actually placed one of them upside down. So once you're done, just slip them under the elastic that is on the leather cover. It's kind of tough because the elastics are actual sized and they are really tight when it's on a tiny traveler's notebook. So once you slip the 2 books in, pick up the middle elastic and slip the second book in, and then you would be done with the setup. And just arrange everything properly, pull your books and straighten them, and yep, there you have it. I have a craft, lined and blank insert in that order. And yeah, I actually placed the charm. It's quite difficult to place onto the elastic. You need a tweezer for that. So yeah, this is my collection. I have the regular, the passport, and now the mini Midori. Basically, I decided to use them to document my favorite artists. And so far, I've already made like tiny paintings of Van Gogh and Salvador Dali's works. So as you can see, so it's pretty cool. And well, if you have different ways of using your mini Midori, just let me know or show me. Thanks for watching. Bye!